what you're saying?
Yes. Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Really?
You, me, Danny. Yes.
Well, you never said that before.
Well, I'm saying it now. We're us, so we can make it an adventure like we did. We can make it an adventure like we make everything, all right?
All right.
Okay? We have to go now, all right? Trust me. We have to leave right now.
You can't leave Danny over custody.
No, you have to take me away. We have to leave. No, what are you saying? What are you saying?
It's not even midnight.
I'll say I don't love you. That's bullshit.
This is bullshit. We are bullshit. You were bullshit. You were bullshit.
Please.
You were cutting me.
Could never cut you. I love you. Please don't say this. Hey.
No, I'm done.
I'll say that.
I'm gonna do these 4 busts, these 4 cons, to get us out of this. Not just me, but us. And I'm gonna get really close with Richie, the cop, in case we need to use him. If we need another move.
We don't need another move. We need 4 busts. All right, done.
We are gonna need another move, trust me. And you're gonna be thanking me. The key to people is what they believe, what they want to believe. So I want to believe that we were real.
We are.
And I want to believe that a man could want me. And I'm going to take all of that heartbreak and all of that sorrow and I'm going to use it.
There's lots.
I'm going to make Richie think that I want him and that I like him. And I want to be very, very convincing.